Number 42, find the value of each limit. Now before we do that, what type of discontinuity do we have here? This particular discontinuity is known as a point discontinuity. We can see this point is away from the hole. In the previous problem, we had a picture that looked something like this. This particular type of discontinuity is known as a jump discontinuity, based on the disconnection that we see here. It looks like the curve jumped from one point to another point. There are some other discontinuities where you have just a hole, and there's also the infinite discontinuity. So you may want to be familiar with those different types, but for this one we have a point discontinuity. Now let's evaluate the one-sided limits. What is the limit as x approaches 3 from the left of f of x? And this blue graph is f of x, by the way. So as we follow the curve towards x equals 3 from the left side, we can see we approach a y value of 2. And as we follow the curve from the right side, the y value is still 2. So both the left side and the right sided limits, they converge to the same point. Therefore, the limit as x approaches 3 from either side is 2. So in this case, the limit exists because we don't have a jump discontinuity. We just have a point discontinuity. Now, what about f of 3? When x is 3, what is y? So this is where we look for the closed circle, which we have it here. F of 3 is defined, and it equals a y value of 3. When you look at the y value, it goes to 3.